In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default download location in Microsoft Edge. If your downloads keep piling up in the default downloads folder, or you prefer to keep work files, photos, or school documents organized in a specific place, changing where files land by default can save you time and hassle. First, open Microsoft Edge. Make sure you're on the latest version if possible, since settings layouts can change slightly with updates. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner for the 3 horizontal dots. That's the Settings and More menu. Click it, then choose Settings from the drop-down. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see everything, don't worry. Edge may collapse some options, but the Settings option will be there. Inside Settings, you'll see a sidebar on the left. Find and select the Downloads category. This page controls how Edge handles files you save from the web. In the Downloads section, look for the Location area. It shows the folder Edge currently uses for your downloads, and next to that, you'll see a Change button. Click Change to pick a new destination. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the folder you want to use going forward. You can choose an existing folder or create a new one if you want a clean space just for downloads. For example, you might make a folder called Edge Downloads inside your documents or on another drive with more space. Once you've highlighted the folder you want, click Select Folder to confirm. From now on, Edge will automatically save downloads to that location, so you won't have to move files manually later. A couple of quick tips to make this even smoother. If you prefer to choose a location each time, look for the option in Download Settings to ask where to save each file before downloading and turn it on. Also, if you're selecting a folder on an external drive or a network location, make sure that drive is connected when you download. Otherwise, Edge may revert to a default path. If you notice that the Change button is unavailable or the setting won't stick, your device might be managed by an organization with policies that control download locations. In that case, check with your administrator. That's it. You've updated your default download location in Microsoft Edge, which should make your files easier to find and keep your folders organized. If you found this helpful, consider setting aside a clearly named folder for different projects to stay even more organized.